Today we are making chili lime cod. So welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. I'm Sylvia and I am so excited that you've decided to join me for this recipe. In addition to making the recipe today, this is actually in collaboration with my dearest YouTube friend, Karen from In the Kitchen with Karen. Guys, check out her station. She's gonna be also doing Check out her channel. I think that's what YouTubers call it. Oh my gosh, fumbling my words already. But check out In the Kitchen with Karen. She is so delightful to watch. She's very real and makes some incredible recipes that I wish I knew how to do. So I watch her channel. And she's been just such a great supporter of the Silly Kitchen. So send her some love as well. And I can't wait to see what kind of cod recipe she makes. Let's get started. I'm gonna start with 2 cod fillets and I'm gonna just put them on a baking sheet or baking tray. Seasoning, I am using chili powder and I'm gonna do a generous sprinkle on top of both of these fillets. I'm not gonna leave it like that. I wanna use my fingertips to just rub in and spread that powder evenly and make sure it gets a little moist. In the oven it goes, 400 degrees, 12 to 15 minutes. While that is in the oven, let's chop up some red peppers into small little dices. I'm also going to do the same thing with the jalapeno after I take out those seeds. And I want really nice fine chops on both of these because we don't want big chunks for the topping of our cod. Once you've done that, just get yourself a little bowl, a mixing bowl, get all of your peppers in there, and we are going to squeeze the juice of 1 entire lime into that dish. I don't know why I hold it sideways. It's a lot easier when you hold it downwards. So please use my tip there to do it the right way. Give that moisture just a little mix around, and we're gonna add salt and pepper as well to this. Give it a nice little sprinkle. Salt and pepper is always how much you want. A little bit of olive oil gets drizzled in there as well, and let's give it a mix. Now that our cod is coming out of the oven, this is the final plating. They're nice and hot, and you don't want to overcook fish, so you do want to make sure you take them out after that 12 to 15 minutes. Put that beautiful topping on your cod fillets. It's going to look great, it's going to taste great, and don't forget, use some of that juice at the bottom of your bowl as well, because it will be all infused with flavor. Finish it with a little bit of greenery. I really hope that if you're new to cooking fish, that you do start with a recipe like this. Cod is so meaty and such a light fish that you can really do so much with it. Thank you again for watching, and be sure to check out Karen from In the Kitchen with Karen, because I'm gonna go check out what she's done too. Till next time.